This is Sarma. Talent is more important than the nature of work. Abraham Lincoln. Psychological courage calls for acting boldly by taking advantage of the present situation and not be crushed by the past happenings. The elevation of Abraham Lincoln, his father was a carpenter and a cobbler, to the position of the President of the United States caused heartburns for many wealthy people as it undetermined their greatness. After taking oath as the President of the US, Lincoln addressed all the distinguished persons present in the Senate. A wealthy and egoistic man interrupted his speech, lifted his shoe to show it to one and all, and shouted, "Mr. Lincoln, though you became the president unexpectedly, never forget that your father made his living by stitching shoes. The shoes which you see now are very much stitched by your father only." These words pleased many people present there who were jealous of the success of Abraham Lincoln. Lincoln stopped his speech and remained silent for a while. Tears rolled down his cheeks. He controlled his emotions and continued his speech in a calm and composed manner, saying, "I am thankful to you for reminding me of my father on this occasion. My father is an expert in stitching shoes. Talent is always to be honored, irrespective of the field, is always in which it is expressed. I strive to express my talents in serving as the President of the country, just as my father struggled to express his talents in his field." He waited for a while and added a serious tone, as this gentleman pointed out, "My father had stitched the shoes for his family. My father stitched shoes not only for his family but also for many other wealthy families. I have inherited the great talent of stitching shoes from my father. If the shoes stitched by my father are not in good condition or causing pain to your feet by becoming tight, you may hand over them to me so that I can repair them. I am proud of my father and have never been ashamed of stitching shoes." All the people present there were dumbstruck by the amazing psychological courage of Abraham Lincoln and realized that it was impossible for them to insult him. Yours affectionate, Sarma. Thank you all.